Hi, this is Andrew from Email Marketing NYC. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this YouTube channel you will find different tips and tricks, advices, strategies, how to use email marketing in your business, how to use marketing automation, also CRM, sales process, and I worked for 8 years in corporate America as project manager, so if I've wanted or not, I will share also project management tools, tips, tricks. So if you are interested in any of those topics, I highly suggest to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be updated with new content I'm providing. My goal to post at least few videos per week, especially if you're using tools like ActiveCampaign, Klaviyo, Pipedrive, or Asana. Those are my top tools which I use in my business and business of others. So I highly suggest to subscribe to be updated. Also comment if you have any questions or you want to learn something more. Thank you.